Welcome to a journey into the world of the unassuming hero. The story of Chickweed is a narrative of a quiet, relentless star, a powerful secret hiding in plain sight. Its botanical name, Stellaria media, is a beautiful nod to this truth. Stellaria means star, a direct reference to the tiny, brilliant white flowers that blossom like miniature galaxies across a forest floor or a well-tended garden bed. And indeed, chickweed is a true star in the world of natural health, a versatile and potent plant that we often mistake for a common garden nuisance. It stands as a living testament to a profound truth, that the most powerful healing can often be found in the most unexpected and overlooked places. You can find chickweed almost anywhere there's moist, cultivated soil. It's a plant that has made its home all over the globe, a tenacious and adaptable traveler thriving in the damp, fertile conditions of our gardens and yards. To many, it's an uninvited guest, a persistent little weed that is pulled and discarded without a second thought. But to a seasoned herbalist and a wise gardener, chickweed isn't a problem, it's a blessing. Its shallow roots provide a wonderful living mulch for other garden plants, helping to retain moisture and suppress more aggressive, demanding weeds. And when it comes time to harvest greens for a fresh, nutrient-dense salad or gather herbs for a potent medicine, chickweed is always there, waiting to be used. The art of befriending the uninvited. The truth is, the vast majority of people are not trying to figure out how to cultivate chickweed, but rather how to get rid of it. Chickweed is just one of those plants that simply show up, invited or not. It's a small, seemingly delicate annual, but its appearance is deceiving. It's far hardier and more resilient than it looks, a true survivor in the plant kingdom. It absolutely thrives in rich garden soil, easily reseeds itself for the next season, and prefers a cool, sunny location, though it will grow abundantly in partial shade as well. If you are one of the fortunate few who haven't yet discovered chickweed in your garden and wish to include it in your own wild medicinal weed patch, the process is remarkably simple. You can direct sow the seeds in full sun or partial shade, provide a bit of water, and then simply watch. Before long, you'll see a tiny green carpet of seedlings sprout in abundance. A word of caution, though, and it's an important one: chickweed can become a bit invasive if left to its own devices. So, you should be prepared to use it regularly and generously. Eat it in salads, juice it, and use it abundantly in your herbal remedies. The more you use, the more you can control its spread, turning a potential nuisance into a productive, continuous source of health and nourishment. Chickweed's potent healing, strength in subtlety. Do not be fooled by chickweed's seeming fragility. It's one of those mild-tasting plants that skillfully disguise their strength in sweetness. It has a delicate, almost grassy flavor, but its healing properties are anything but delicate. Chickweed is a powerful soother and moisturizer, highly esteemed for its emollient and demulcent healing properties. It is a major herb for addressing a wide range of hot, irritated skin problems, a gentle remedy for eye inflammation, and a subtle but effective support for the body's internal cleansing organs. The skin's gentle ally. Chickweed is an absolute star when it comes to skin health. It makes an excellent poultice for treating hot, irritated rashes and skin problems. The fresh, cool mash of chickweed can provide instant relief to inflamed, burning skin. In a salve, chickweed has a deeply soothing and healing effect on the skin and is among the most effective natural remedies for relieving relentless itchiness. It is often used to treat common, bothersome conditions like rashes, eczema, and the fiery sting of nettles. But its gentleness is what truly sets it apart. It is an ideal remedy for the most delicate of skin, so gentle and effective that it is a go-to remedy for diaper rash and other skin irritations on infants and children, offering a safe and effective alternative to harsher creams and lotions. For a fresh chickweed poultice, the process is simple and intuitive. You simply mash a handful of the fresh chickweed tops into a pulp. You can do this with a mortar and pestle, or more easily, by placing it in a blender with a small amount of water, just a tablespoon or two per cup of fresh plant, and blending it into a thick mash. You would then fold the mashed herbs into a cloth and apply it directly to the affected skin, leaving it on for about 30 minutes. The cooling, soothing sensation is almost immediate and deeply comforting. You can repeat this process with fresh herbs as often as needed until the itchiness and irritation completely cease. A cooling balm for tired eyes. Because of its gentle and soothing properties, chickweed is also a well-known remedy for irritation and itchiness in the eyes. Used as a poultice or eye pack, it cools and soothes the delicate membranes of the eyes, providing relief from inflammation and discomfort. You can make an eye pack by infusing chickweed in warm water, letting it cool to a comfortable temperature, and then placing a soaked cloth over your closed eyes. The relief is palpable, a gentle cooling balm for overworked and irritated eyes. A nutritional powerhouse for inner health beyond its topical uses, the fresh, tender greens of chickweed are a true nutritional powerhouse, a treasure trove of nutrients that are too often overlooked. They are absolutely delicious in salads, with a delicate, almost nutty flavor that brightens any dish. They are also excellent when juiced or blended with a fruit juice, like pineapple juice, which perfectly complements its mild flavor. Due to their high nutritional value, mild diuretic action, and metabolism-stimulating properties, chickweed greens are often found in weight-reducing formulas. They provide a gentle, natural way to support the body's metabolic processes and flush out excess fluids. They are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin C, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc, making them a fantastic and easy addition to any diet. Preserving chickweed's potency for the future, the one challenge with chickweed is that it doesn't dry or store well. Its delicate nature means it loses much of its potency and vitality when dried. So to preserve the fresh leaves for future use, it is best to turn to other preservation methods. You can make a tincture from the fresh plant, which will capture its medicinal properties in a long-lasting, alcohol-based extract. You can also freeze the fresh chickweed, perhaps blended with a small amount of water into a paste, which can then be thawed and used in poultices or salves later on. Or you can convert the fresh plant into a salve directly, creating a finished product that will keep for a long time. Making a chickweed super-soothing salve is a straightforward process that will provide you with a powerful remedy for all manner of skin issues. First, you need to infuse the fresh chickweed in an oil, such as olive or almond oil. You would fill a jar about 3/4 full with clean, fresh chickweed tops, ensuring they are dry to remove any extra moisture. Then you would cover the chickweed completely with the oil. You can let this infuse in a sunny window for 2 to 3 weeks, or you can speed up the process with a slow cooker on a very low heat setting for a few hours. After straining out the plant material, you would gently warm the infused oil and stir in some beeswax, about 1/4 cup per cup of oil, to create a perfect salve. This finished salve is an invaluable tool for soothing irritated, dry skin and rashes. The chickweed lifestyle, embracing a star chickweed with its tiny star-like flowers, is a reminder that some of the greatest gifts from nature are the ones we least expect. It's a plant that teaches us to look closer, to appreciate the weeds that show up uninvited, and to find strength in subtlety. From its incredible healing properties for irritated skin and inflamed eyes to its potent nutritional value for inner health, chickweed is a star that shines brightly in the world of herbal medicine. It's a testament to the idea that a gentle touch can have the most profound and lasting effects. So, the next time you see a patch of chickweed in your garden, don't reach for the weed killer. Reach for your basket and welcome a star into your home.